How to make an eggless cake. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of sugar. Turn your mixer onto a low speed, then add the following: 1 cup of full cream milk, 1/3 cup of premium coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Step 2. Add eggs. Step 3. Add 1 cup of chocolate sauce. Step 3. Add 1 cup of chocolate. Step 3. Add 1 cup of chocolate. Step 3. Add 1 cup. Step 3. Add chocolate. Add chocolate sauce. Add chocolate sauce.